The Service Employees International Union, along with the Center for American Progress Action Fund, invited all 2008 candidates to the first ever presidential forum on March 24th in Las Vegas to discuss their solutions for fixing America's broken healthcare system. Here are some highlights.
We as Americans are in crisis today.
What we have is a dysfunctional healthcare system in the United States of America.
People's whole lives are on the line here.
We all know that it's in a serious crisis.
And the message that we've heard over the last 6 years is, you're on your own.
Pressures on the system, on our doctors, our nurses, our healthcare workers have just been so stressful.
The numbers are startling.
It's getting worse all the time.
We as a nation spend $2 trillion every year, more than any nation on earth, and yet we still have
47 million uninsured in this country.
Which is a disgrace in our country.
And what we need is big, bold, dramatic change, not small change.
We're all for universal health care.
What really are your top issues when you want to talk about health care?
And there are going to be some basic principles that coverage has to be universal, that we're going to have to save costs and get more bang for our health care dollar.
We require and demand the use of technology.
We don't rely on paper in any other big part of our economy anymore.
The bureaucracy strangles our system so much.
How and on what timeline are you going to rein in the health care costs?
We can save, by an independent assessment, $100 billion a year if we move toward electronic medical records.
Universal health care, done the right way, with the right choices and the right efficiencies, will actually help American business, not just help the 47 million people who don't have health insurance.
As president, how will you ensure that more access to preventative and wellness care is provided?
We need to be doing everything we can to see to it that people get screening, get the proper managed care, to reduce those kind of problems before they emerge.
We've got to put more money in prevention.
Making sure that we start early. Making sure that we promote healthier lifestyles.
We've got to take the values that have made America great and we have to adapt them to new times.
You are the ones who have to insist that America reconnect with its greatness and its goodness.
We have the political will and the sense of urgency to actually get it done.
To get it done so that we don't spend another decade arguing about whether we keep the system we have now or actually have universal health care.
This goes to the heart of our economics. It goes to the heart of who we are as a people.
This is the moment that I call upon you in the SEIU and the American people to say, let's join this movement that already exists.
We need a movement. We need people to make this the #1 voting issue in the 2008 election, to send a message to the Congress and the special interests. We're serious and we're going to get it done this time.